accidentally, or one of us accidentally pressed the stop button. But if you saw our part 1, go see that if you haven't yet. But this is what we came out with.
Okay, I don't have any marshmallows I can use.
Yeah, but this looks almost identical. Wait, almost identical. This one's smaller though.
Because it's marshmallows.
And actually, you want to roll it in
this
flour.
is 5 marshmallows. And we must use like 7 or something. We should add them both.
No.
You have a big bag.
I'm gonna put a little flour on this though, because it's a really sticky. Wish you have a lot of flour right there. But this is part 1. This is part 2. Sorry. But this is Kaylee and Haley. Haley. And
I don't have a YouTube channel because I don't like YouTube. Because I have so much hate.
I get hate too, but hopefully this changes your guys' mind. Hopefully, if you saw my first ever video, I asked for no hate in this, or for trying not to have too much hate. But adding flour to it is kind of optional when it comes to after you get it. After you make it to like this, you can add. And you can. The last part, optional, is adding flour to make it less sticky. It depends if you care if it's sticky or not.
If you add more flour, it'll get harder. But I like it harder because it's less sticky.
That feels really weird. It tastes good though. Tastes like sugar. And we're gonna be up all night. We're filming this at like almost 10 o'clock at night. 9:30.
It's 9:30. My mom said she would be home at 9. So she'll probably be home any second. So we should probably hurry up. That's the video. She's gonna do the outro.
And
Not a good person to do that.
but I like to say thank you, like and subscribe this video. If you saw the part 1, I said that
To get 15 subscribers, we'll post the fail video.
yeah, if I get to 15 subscribers, we'll post it.
The other
And we had a fail video where it kind of turned out something like this, and
it didn't.
just didn't
it
it didn't work. So
Okay, so we're gonna start cleaning up. You can watch this. No, you can't. We're gonna end the video now. Probably.
yeah, but we're gonna end the video here. Thank you for watching and subscribe. 15 subscribers and I'll post a fail video of this. Thank you. Bye. There's the slime. Bye.